Now I will show you how to apply quadratic spline to fit a functions in between these three data points. So from this data point, if we plot, here is x and y. So at x equal to -2, y would equal to 0. So this is the first point. And x equal to 0, y equal to 2. So this is second point. And if x equal to 2, y equal to 7. Okay, this is the third point. So the quadratic spline will create two functions. The first function will fit in between the first and the second point. This is f1x, and this is the second function, f2x. Okay. So for the first function, we can represent in the quadratic form. So it is a1x squared plus b1x plus c1, right? Where x is in between x0, which is here is -2 and 0, right? f2x, this function is a2x squared plus b2x plus c2, and it will valid when x is in between 0 and 2. Okay, so right now we have 6 unknowns parameter, and we gonna create an equations for solving it, this unknown parameter. So we start with the junction point. So the junction point is this point when x equal to 0. So this point, y equal to 2, right? So from here, we have only one junction point. And at x equal to the junction point, so when x equal to 0, what we get is f1 x equal to 0 is equal to f of x equal to 0. So it would be 2, right? So from here, it is a1 x squared, right? So it is 0 squared plus b1 0 plus c1. So from here, we get c1 equal to 2. This is the first equation. And the second equation that we can create from this junction point is at f2 x equal to 0 would equal to f of x when x equal to 0, which is also 2. So from here, we get c2 would equal to 0. This is another equation. Okay. And then we consider the first point. So the first point is when x equal to -2, y equal to 0. So at x equal to -2, what you get it? f1 x equal to -2 would equal to f of x equal to -2, which is equal to 0. So from here, you get a1 minus 2 square plus b1 minus 2 plus c1 equal to 0, or it is 4a1 minus 2b1 plus c1 equal to 0. Okay, this is third equation. And for the next condition, we create from the endpoint. So the endpoint is at x equal to 2, y equal to 7. So at the endpoint, so at x equal to 2, we get the function f2, right? X equal to 2 would equal to f of x equal to 2, which is 7. So from here, a2 x squared plus b2 x plus c2 would equal to 7. This is another equation that we can create. And also, we can create the equation from the junction point. At the junction point here, so we know that f palm x 1 would equal to f2 palm x 1. So from here is a1 x 1 square plus b1, 2a1 x 1 plus b1 would equal to 2a2 x1 plus b1. This is the condition that we can create. So far we have 5 equations, right? So we have 5 equations, and at the junction point, which is x1 equal to 0, what you get is, so this term would be 0, this term would be 0, so from here we get b1 equal to b2. Okay. Now, what we try to derive, we know that c1 equal to c2 equal to 2, and we also get the function 4a1 minus 2b1 plus c1, which is 2, would equal to 0. Okay. And another is 4a2 okay, plus 2b2 plus c2. c2 is actually 2, right? Would equal to 7. Okay. Which is, this equation is actually from here, right? So this is like a 4a2 plus 2b2 plus c2 equal to 7. Okay. Or we can rearrange it in terms of 4a2 plus 2b2 minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. And since you know that b1 equal to b2, so if this is the first equation, if this is the second equation, you plus 1 plus 2, these two equations, what you get is 4a1 plus 4a2. So since b1 equal to b2, so this term will cancel out. So you will get minus 5 would equal to minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3, equal to 0. Okay, so we need to create another constraint. So we assume that a1 equal to 0. And if we assume like this term would equal to 0, and you will get a2 equal to 3 over 4. So if you assume that a1 equal to 0, a1 right now you assume a1 equal to 0, you get a2 equal to 3 over 4, and you already derived at the beginning that c1 equal to 2, c2 equal to 2, and b1 equal to b2, but you didn't know it yet how much is it, right? So we're gonna solve for b1 or b2, right? So if you go back and see at the equation 1, which is 4a1 minus 2b1 plus 2 equal to 0, and you assume that a1 equal to 0. So from here, you will get b1 equal to 1. So because b1 equal to b2, thus b2 also equal to 1. So in summary, for this example, a1 would equal to 0, a2 equal to 3 over 4, b1 equal to 1, b2 equal to 1, c1 equal to 2, and c2 equal to 2. That's all, right? So the function that you get is f1x, that's represented as a linear function. So it would be b1x plus c1, which is 2, right? And f2x will be 3 over 4 a2x squared plus b2, which is 1, plus x plus c2, which is 2. Right? So this is the function that you create using a cubic spline.